Good morning, students. Class 6. You see the next topic. This is chapter 3. The name of chapter is Playing with Numbers. Exercise 3.7. First, you give some tips or concepts of this exercise. First, you see lowest common multiple. In short form, we say LCM. What is lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest or least. All are same. Lowest, smallest or least of their common multiples. You know about the multiple of any number is the product of integer. There are four methods to find the LCM. I explain about four methods for finding the LCM of any two or more numbers. First method, prime factorization method. One question you see here, find the LCM of 12 and 18. First you find the prime factor by this method. 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 3 and 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja. So prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3 and prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. It is clear? Now LCM of 12 and 18. First you find the common factors between both. First you see 2 is common, then what is the maximum number of 2 in both? We find that the maximum number of 2 is 2 times. So you write 2 times. Similarly 3 is the common factor and the maximum number of 3 is 2 times. So you write 2 3. Now you find their product 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 2 ja 4 and 3 3 ja 9. 9 4 ja 36. So it is clear. Next method 2, division method. Question is LCM of 20, 25 and 30. We find from this method you write 20, 25 and 30 and starting from the prime numbers you divide the given numbers. First you divide by 2, 2 10 ja, 25 is not divisible, 30 is divisible 15 times. Again you divide by 2, again you divide by 3, similarly 5, again 5 until the remainder will not comes 1 1 1 you will divide. So these numbers are the prime numbers. Now you multiply all the numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. That are the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. So the LCM of 25 and 30 is the product of these numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, that is 300. It is clear? Now you see method 3, common multiple method. First LCM of 12 and 18. How we find this method? You see, first you will write the multiples of 12. You know that the multiple of 12 means the table of 12, that is 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja, 12 3 ja and so on. You write the table of 12. Similarly multiple of 18 you will write the table of 18. 18 1 ja, 18 2 ja, 18 3 ja, 18 4 ja and so on. Now you find the common multiple. From beginning you see 36 is the smallest common multiple in both numbers. So LCM will be 36. It is also clear. Now you see the method 4. It is Venn diagram method. Method 4 is Venn diagram method. What we do in this method? First question you see LCM of 12 and 18. First you write the prime factors of 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3. Again you write the prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now you make the two circles in this way, and the common numbers you will put in the common place. So first you see 2 is the common in both, so you put here, and 3 is the common in both, so you put 3 here. Now you see this circle for 12 and this circle is for 18. When we take 2 and 3, then 2 is left, you put in the circle of 12, that is uncommon, and in 18 1 3 is uncommon, you put here. Now all the numbers will be the LCM. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 36. This method is said to be Venn diagram methods. You can find the LCM by this method for many numbers, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers. So it is simple. Now you come on exercise 3.7. You take out exercise page number 67. Question first. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. First you will read the question and see what is asked in this question. The word is maximum. If you will find the word maximum, then you think that we have to find the HCF. So what we do? We find the HCF of 75 kg and 69 kg. Similarly, 3 boys set off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? The word comes minimum means we have to find the LCM of these 3 steps. Clear? In question 3, the length, breadth and height of the rooms are given: 825 cm, 675 cm and 450 cm respectively. Find the longest step which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. What word? Longest. So what we do? We find the HCF in this question. Clear? Question 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. What we do? First we find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Then you will find the smallest 3-digit number. You see how we solve it. First you will find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. By division methods you will find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 to the 4 to the 8 3 the 24 is the LCM. Now you know that the smallest 3-digit number is 100. So you divide 100 by 24. When we divide 4 times, the remainder is 4. So what we do for finding the smallest 3-digit number? We write here 100 plus the difference between 24 and 4 is 20. So you add both and the smallest 3-digit number will be 120. Or you can find the product of 24. You multiply 24 into 2, 24 into 3, 24 into 4, 24 into 5, 24 into 6, and you see what number is the smallest 3-digit number. That will be the answer. So that method you can also solve, or this method you can also solve. Next, question 5. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Similarly, you will find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Then what you do? First you will take the greatest 3-digit number and divide with the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. You see how we solve this question. Question number 5. First you find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12 by the division method. LCM is 120. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. Now 999 divides by 120. 8 times, the remainder is 39. So you remove this remainder from 999. That is required number 999 minus 39 is 960. This method you can solve, or you can find the multiple of 120 up to 3 digit. That will be the maximum. That method you can also find. Now you question 6. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? What you do? First you will find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108, and that LCM you will add at 7 am and you will find the time. Clear? Again, question 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. So what we do in this question? We find the HCF of these numbers, then you will find the maximum capacity of the container. So you do question number 8. Question number 7 is clear. Maximum capacity of container. What we do? We find the HCF. Question number 8. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. First you will find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18, and after finding the LCM, in answer you will add 5, then your answer will be complete. Question number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. As you solve question 4 and 5 similarly, we solve this question. First you will find the LCM of 8, 24 and 32, and its LCM will be 288. Now you will find the product or multiple of this number. That will be a smallest 4 digit. You see how we solve these questions. First you see, with the help of division methods, we find the LCM, that is 288. Now you multiply with 2, 3 and 4 and check the number. 576 3-digit number, it is also 3-digit number, but when we multiplied 4 times, I found 1152. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4-digit number, and it is the smallest 4-digit number, and this number is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So answer will be 1152. Now you see question 10. You will find the LCM of A, B, C and D. 9 into 4, 9 and 4 are co-prime. So their LCM will be the product of both numbers. You see all numbers are co-prime. Clear? Question 11. Find the LCM. 5, 26, 18, 12, 48 and 9, 45. We know that the 20 is the product of 5. Similarly 6 is the product of 18. or 5 is the factor of 20. So in this condition the greater number will be LCM. So you do all questions. Thank you for this class.